We on? Here we go. Hello and welcome back to Jason Albert TV. I'm Jason Albert, and today I've got another video for my sneaker faces. Guys, last week I did a sneaker video, and the feedback I gave myself, super positive. And I thought, hey, why not do another sneaker video since obviously I'm one of the biggest sneaker faces on the planet. So today, instead of doing a Reeboks, what I wanted to do was an unbox. And the reason I have my gloves on is because when I'm handling these brand new kicks, I just want to make sure that I give them the respect they deserve, and everything always looks better when you present it with nice, clean, white gloves. Wouldn't you agree? All right, let's get into it. Today, that's right, you probably saw the title. Today, I'm unboxing the Invisibles by Not a Thing. And first off, the box. Bam! I mean, look at this. Literally no words. I mean, the box, just unreal. Are you guys seeing this? You guys seeing this? Look at that. I mean, you can see the colors, the logo, the writing. We're looking up the packaging, right? Just out of sight. I mean, holy crap. All right. Now, I could go on and on and on about the box, but we really want to get into these sneakers. So let's get the packaging here. Here. Boom. All right, guys. Woo! Woo! Look at this. I'm like shaking. Oh my God. These are way more beautiful than when I saw them online. Oh my God. This colorway, okay? This colorway is called Imagination. Now, they also have this exact same Invisible in Fantasy, but the Imagination is going to be the OG colorway. So I don't know if you'll be able to get these, okay? Because they might be sold out. But I mean, just look at how sleek. I mean, just, can you imagine how this feels on your foot? So quickly, let's talk about the materials here. The materials on this, non-existent. The tongue, hidden, right? Let's go ahead and look at the laces. Unobservable. If we check out the toe box here, intangible. And then the sole, this is what they call ghost. Okay, now, surprising, you can also get the sole in Soul, right? So again, this is that colorway. This is, I mean, this is the freshest. And you know what? A lot of people talk about their Nike Air Max. You know, it's got the see-through bubble, and you know, I mean, you want to talk about air to the max? Does it get crazier than this? Now, these, the price point for these two, and I bought these retail, no cost. Okay, so these both no cost. The cool thing about these though, and I know that sounds expensive, the cool thing about these though is, I mean, the sizing, right? I know a lot of sneakers, you know, some are true to size, some you can go up or down a size. These, one size fits all. So, you know, you don't have to worry about trying to find them, you know, only in your size. You get the pair, it's going to fit. But again, these were at retail, no cost, in the OG. I think these were a re-release. However, if that's too rich for your blood, you can go on eBay, get a slightly used pair for free, okay? And I actually might do that. I might go on eBay, cop a pair in the Imagination colorway for free, and do a restoration, probably sell them at no cost. So that's for all you sneaker faces out there that do that flip. I might actually do a restoration video. I mean, don't hold me to that. I probably won't actually do that, but you guys, you're not going to see it anyway. But yeah, so that's those. Again, you can get this same shoe in Fantasy. I mean, how much does it weigh? I mean, it's almost weightless. Honestly, it's almost weightless. I would say that these are perfect for the beach. Okay, these are going to be perfect for indoors. A lot of people wear them in bed. They're even good for, you go to, I don't know, you're in the shower and you want something, right? And I would say when you can't have something, I would go with these for the shower. It just makes sense. So yeah, I mean, what do you guys think? Leave it in the description. Again, it's the Invisibles, no cost, retail. I think they're fly. I think they're super dope. What else can I talk about? I've got some notes on them, but I think that's pretty much it. I mean, the only thing left to do, honestly, is to show you these guys on feet. Okay, so guys, here you see them on feet. I'm using these socks just so you guys can really get a feel for the transparency of these sneakers. Now I'm walking upstairs. Now I'm working on my fitness, doing a couple step-ups. In the comment section though, go ahead and leave me a comment. Did you like these? If you're a sneaker face, are you gonna add these to the collection? Do you have these in your collection already? And if you guys are interested in copying these, go ahead, check the description because I didn't leave a link on where you can find them. That's gonna be it. Thank you so much for watching. See you later, Crocodile.
Please like, comment, subscribe, follow, and share.